Hello, in this video we're going to fund a Pepperstone Broker account using the Visa or MasterCard method. We go to the Funds section, and from the Add Funds part, we select the Credit Debit Card option. We enter the amount, then we select the Confirm Amount option.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
To complete the card information and add the card, you must enter the card number, cardholder name, expiry date, and CVV. We've entered the information. We select the fund option. In this part, to complete the payment process, you'll receive a code from Visa for your bank account. You must enter the code, select the Verify option. We've completed the transaction, and you can see the balance in the section related to your live account. View it also in the section related to history. You can also check the transaction history, as you can see the deposit via credit debit card. On this date, for the amount of $50 has been successfully completed, and its status is successful. In future videos, we'll be with you regarding other deposit and withdrawal methods in the Pepperstone Broker. Good luck.